Okay, students, you please open your notebook. Note down the questions. Short answer type question on the basis of today's lesson. And the today's chapter or the topic, it is development. So the first question is, what is the term meant by development? Capital D. What is the term meant by development? You can use your own words. Whatever you have understood through my teaching, you can write. Question number 2. What are the factors which add to the development of any country? What are the factors which add to the development of any country? As an example, equality and other factors I have already read before you and I have already explained before you. Add to the development. That means developing country or developed country. What are the factors of the people? Those factors add to the development of the country. Now question number 3. How we can weigh, W-E-I-G-H, how we can weigh a progressed country's economy? How we can weigh, W-E-I-G-H, a progressed country's economy? Question 4. What is Human Development Index? What is Human Development Index? Human capital H, development capital D, index capital I. And the last question, what is sustainable development? What is sustainable development? Sustainable is capital, development D capital. Okay, so guys, this much for today. See you once again. You please answer these questions, and when school will open, I will go through all the answers. Till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.